This is social media versus reality. First up, the Sphere in Las Vegas. On social media, a futuristic spectacle with mind-blowing visuals. In reality, honestly, it's just as amazing, and the perfect spot to catch a concert or even a wild Vegas fight. Next is the Ice Castles in Wisconsin. Online, a dreamy frozen fairy tale. In reality, it's a wholesome spot to chill with family and friends, if you can handle the cold. Next is Angkor Wat Temple in Cambodia. Social media makes it look peaceful and mystical, and in reality, it's packed with tourists all trying to get that perfect shot.